Alam niyo ba ang rabies ay isang viral disease that is transmitted through the bite or scratch of an infected animal, most commonly sa aso. Ang rabies po ay nakamamatay at very slim ang survival rate nito. Kaya napaka-importante ang mabilis na medical intervention kung tayo man ay makagat o makalmot. Kaya sa IVAX ABC, kami ang Animal Bite Center na dedicated in providing the highest quality of care na napaka-affordable at sulit sa iyong bulsa. Dito sa amin, we give options and treatment plans specifically made for you. Our services are pre-exposure prophylaxis, post-exposure prophylaxis, ERIC, equine rabies, immunoglobulin, tetanus toxoid vaccine, ATS, anti-tetanus serum, and